Everything we know,
Yeah.
scrap it.
You're having a laugh.
I've got to read this. The Top Gear producers have set you and Joe a different kind of challenge, as if we needed it. Thanks. This is an FV432, an armoured fighting vehicle built for the British Army in the 1960s. Old. It has a 6-cylinder, 12-piston Rolls-Royce engine.
Of course, it's Rolls-Royce.
Obviously a roller.
Yep.
This particular beast spends its life having paintball battles in the Leicestershire countryside.
Pretty cool.
It gets a wash once a year. That year is up. Off you go.
Absolutely amazing.
Off you go.
Oh, cheers, mate.
Everything we know,
Yeah.
scrap it.
It's out the window on this one, isn't it?
Wash mitts, no. Hammer and chisel. Let's have a look at this. Some challenge.
Don't. Let's have a look at these tracks.
It's a mission is what it is.
There's lumps of mud in there bigger than cars I've cleaned in the past.
The problem is, I don't know where the mud stops and the bodywork starts.
It's mud on mud on mud.
There's probably a bit of cow pat in there and all.
Yeah, and I'm seeing paint on the side of it
Yeah.
with mud.
Did you want the inside doing?
Yeah.
We're better off getting a lumberjack in for this.
You know when you feel like you're not qualified
Yeah,
to clean
yeah.
anymore?
You've seen the size of this?
That's the big bertha, that one.
There's at least 2 foot of neat mud. Oh,
Get stuck in.
it in there like swimwear. Oh, there's a shock absorber there. On it. I see why they do it once a year now.
You can see why they've got us into do it as well.
Yeah.
Oh, it's going. Hey, timber. Oh, yeah, go on, Jack. Getting a lungful of that, I am.
Mate, I'm not gonna lie, I am knackered, but I cannot wait to get the pressure washer out.
While you're setting the pressure washer up, let me run around with some TFR and then I'll let you have that.
Good shout.
So we normally use traffic film remover when we're pre-washing a car, but today we're hoping it's going to loosen up some of the thick mud.
Tracks are done.
2 hours we lost.
So many wheels.
32 to be precise.
Is that how many there is?
Yeah.
Not the most detailed work we've ever done, but so much mud.
We just need to start cracking on with the bodywork.
Let's get the bodywork done.
Think less detailer.
More chimney sweep.
Let's brush. Although it's a big area, it's actually more detailed than it looks, and a smaller brush would work in a tree. Right, it's time to tackle the inside of this thing. I've got some microfibers, some brushes, some sprays. There's absolutely all sorts of materials, exposed metal, dials. I think I'm just gonna have to get stuck in.
My man.
Jack, I've done as much as I can in here. You need to get in here and swap out.
I'll do the hard bit.
Good man. Cheers, bro.
Oh, I'm really glad I didn't have that extra pie at lunch. Whilst this is the most effective way of doing it, it still feels very weird pointing a hose inside the cockpit.
I say it looks better. I feel like you've just rolled in it, soaked it up.
I've drill brushed it and mopped it up with my jumper.
Oh, you're the mop. Oh, okay.
On the
All right,
mop.
I understand.
Good job I got that slim physique, innit? Geese,
Jack.
to summarise, I didn't want to do it.
Yeah, I'm not going to rush back to do another one, but we've done it.
Exactly. As for the tank, it's not perfect. There's still a little bit of mud on there, but
There's more mud on you than on that tank, mate.
I've taken one for the team, all right?
Yeah, you
leave
have,
me
yeah.
alone. As for the producers,
Yeah.
it set us a challenge.
Yeah,
I think we smashed it.
I'd agree.
You make your own mind up. Come on, you, let's get out of here.